Hi, Wall Street Willie. What are the advantages of universal life insurance? One big advantage of universal life insurance is that it lasts for the entire life of the policyholder without the need for any renewal, unlike term life insurance. It comes with a guaranteed payout to the beneficiaries as long as the premiums are paid. Another advantage is that it has a cash value that grows tax deferred and serves as a pool you can dip into for future premium payments or for loans and withdrawals if the need arises. If the market performs well, the cash component growth can be significantly higher than whole life insurance. Also, for permanent life insurance with a cash component, it's less expensive than whole life insurance. Another huge benefit is the flexibility it offers with respect to premiums. There is generally a range for premiums, and as long as the minimum amount is paid, the policy doesn't lapse. This range also allows people to pay more in the initial stages, as anything over the minimum goes towards the cash value, allowing it to grow faster. Universal life insurance also allows the death benefit to be changed if the policyholder so desires. Are there any disadvantages of universal life insurance? The biggest disadvantage of universal life insurance is its high cost. Even though it is less expensive than whole life insurance, it's still a lot more expensive than term life insurance due to the savings component. Also, unlike whole life insurance, the premiums go up over time based on age and health conditions. While universal life insurance guarantees minimum returns on the cash value, this minimum is quite low. Any return over this minimum depends on the market conditions and is unpredictable. Another huge yet often overlooked disadvantage is that the beneficiaries only receive the death benefit and not the cash value. Any remaining cash value goes back to the insurance company. Also, if there are outstanding loans or withdrawals by the policyholder during their lifetime, the death benefit could be considerably reduced. Should I buy universal life insurance? Universal life insurance is a cheaper alternative for someone looking for lifelong coverage or is interested in the tax-advantaged aspect of the cash component and would like more flexibility with regards to premiums and death benefit. But since universal life insurance is significantly more expensive than term life insurance, it may not be the right choice for you if you don't need lifelong coverage or flexibility. If you are a disciplined investor who can make good choices regarding investments, you can use a strategy called buy term and invest the difference. Like the name suggests, you buy term life insurance instead of universal life insurance and invest the money saved in premiums. This way, not only will you pay less for the insurance, but you will also be able to invest on your terms to maximize returns. However, if you don't consider yourself a savvy investor, or think the savings component and the flexibility with premiums and death benefit will give you peace of mind, it might be worth looking into universal life insurance. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend!
If you enjoyed this video, check out related videos and playlists in the description box below.